Kenneth. Samuel. Oh. Oo. Yun. 9 years with you have been the most beautiful journey. This guitar is a small thank you for all the love, patience, and joy you've been giving me along the way.
Ibibigay ko sa'yo ang gift na ito dahil gusto mo to. Joke! Dahil nabasag yung binigay ko sa'yo dati. See you later, B.
For 9 years, you've been my best friend, my partner, and my constant. We've grown together, learned together, and love each other through everything life has brought our way. Today, I promise to keep choosing you, to love you deeply, support you fully, and walk beside you. For all the days of our lives, after 9 years, my heart still knows you are my forever. I love you and I always do.
Patibayan nawa ng paghahain na aming ginanap at pinagsaluhan ang pagtataling puso ni na Emilio at Maria Carmela. Ang bigkis ng pag-ibig na iyong binigay ay patuloy niyo nawang humigpit at umibay sa pamagitan ng Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan.
Amen.
B, pinapangako kong maging tapat at totoo sa iyo sa mga panahong ikaw ay nasa ilaw at sa dilim, sa mga panahong ikaw ay malakas at mahina. Mahal na mahal kita, B.
Alam ko at ramdam ko sa puso ko na mahal kita. At hindi ko kayang harapin yung bukas na wala ka.